Disabling two-factor authentication on Chime can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Chime account. Open the Chime app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Security Settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile area. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, look for the option related to two-factor authentication. It may be labeled as two-step verification or something similar. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may need to confirm your choice or enter your password again for security purposes. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the feature, ensure you save any changes made to your account settings. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully disabled. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Chime account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.